In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore your accidentally removed Google Play Store on your Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this is the Google Play Store right here, but let's say you removed it. It's not actually going to fully delete. So if you removed it from your home screen, what you can do is swipe up and you're going to see all your different applications that you've downloaded on your phone. Then if you just find Play Store, what you can do then is, long press on it and then it's going to say add to home. So then you can add it to home. And right now, obviously I have two, but I'm just going to remove this one just because I don't need two applications of like the same thing, which is Play Store. Let's say it's disabled and you can't find it anywhere here or anything like that. You can't find it on your home screen or your app selection area. So from here, what you want to do is go over to your settings application, which looks like this. Once you're here, you want to scroll down until you find apps. And then from here, you want to find Google Play Store. So we're just going to find the Play Store right here. And as you can see, it's right here. Now on the bottom, if it's been disabled, it's going to say enable. And right now mine says disabled. So, it says disabling this app may cause other apps to stop working correctly. So what you want to do is you just want to enable it. And then what you want to do is once it's enabled, you're going to be able to find it in your app section. And then you can bring it back to your home screen and you'll be good to go.